today's video I have for you like another swatch and review of a new brand का new launch. Now new brand इसलिए because I've never reviewed this brand on my channel before, तो ये एक और नया ब्रांड ऐड हो जाएगा हमारी स्वॉच एंड रिव्यू की लिस्ट में। और उन्होंने अभी अभी लॉन्च किए हैं 22 न्यू शेड्स टू देयर नेल पॉलिशेस रेंज एंड द ब्रांड आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट इज जस्ट हर्ब्स। यस यू गाइज, आज हम जस्ट हर्ब्स की पॉलिशेस के बारे में बात करने वाले हैं। और जैसा कि मैंने बताया उन्होंने 22 शेड्स लॉन्च किए हैं जिनमें से दे वेरी काइंडली सेट मी 12 ऑफ देयर शेड्स एंड दीज शेड्स आर ब्यूटिफुल फॉर स्प्रिंग और समर सीजन। So if you're like watching this in February or March का month ना, you can definitely check out these shades for this beautiful season. So सबसे पहले देख लेते हैं swatches और उसके बाद हम बात करेंगे the pricing, the availability, the quality, the claims and all that good stuff. So on to the swatches now. Before moving on to the swatches, I would just like to mention कि there might be some background noise. I'm not sure, though I'll try to minimize it as much as possible. But there is some sort of इवेंट गोइंग ऑन द लाउड स्पीकर और उस वजह से शायद थोड़ी सी बैकग्राउंड नॉइज आ सकती है। तो आई ट्राई टू कीप माई वॉइस लाउडर कि तुम लोग को समझ में आए, सुनाई दे, बट या इग्नोर द बैकग्राउंड नॉइज। you guys, so these were the swatches of 12 shades Just Herb just launched. Just launched. Anyways, so सबसे पहले बात कर लेते हैं प्राइसिंग की. तो each of these shade retails for like 195 rupees and you get 6 ml of product. Now these polishes do contain like sweet almond oil and jojoba oil to like prevent cracking, peeling, promote nail growth and prevent fungal infection as well in your nails. Now I don't consider nail polishes any sort of nail care, so I cannot like confirm these claims, but yeah, if you want to test them out on that, you can definitely check out these polishes for that. The other claims that they make about their products is that they're vegan, cruelty free, paraben free, plus 21 free formula polishes. Now that means these polishes do not contain 21 harmful chemicals which are usually present in polished formulas. Now if you want to check out the list of all those chemicals, they are easily available on their website. मैं उसका एक screenshot यहाँ भी डाल दूंगी, so if you want to pause the video and read out the chemicals, you can. The good thing is that they're vegan and cruelty free, and I try to use the brands which include these two particular claims in their like bio. Now talking about the availability, they are available on their official website जो कि मैं description box में डाल दूंगी. Also if I find some other links to these polishes, वो भी मैं description box में डाल दूंगी. ये तो हुई प्राइसिंग की बात. अब बात करते हैं क्वालिटी की. सो गाइज, आई वॉज प्लीजेंटली सरप्राइज विद द क्वालिटी ऑफ द पॉलिशेज. दे आर वेरी गुड पॉलिशेज, वेरी गुड क्वालिटी पॉलिशेज. द ब्रश इज अ वाइट फ्लैट ब्रश with black bristles with a straight cut, which I like absolutely love. The formula is pretty smooth, creamy, buttery. They just glide onto your nails, gets opaque in 2 coat swatches में तुम लोगों ने देखा ही. Plus they are self labeling as well. Plus the color payoff is absolutely amazing. जो भी कलर तुमको बॉटल में दिखता है वही तुम्हारे नेल्स में 2 कोट्स में ट्रांसफर होता है, which is like a huge thumbs up from my side. Now लॉन्ग लास्टिंग की बात करें तो ऑफकोर्स शाइन तो चली ही जाती है वियर एंड टीयर में, सो आई डेफिनेटली सजेस्ट लाइक अ गुड क्वालिटी टॉप कोट ओवर देम टू मेक देम लॉन्ग लास्टिंग. अब बात करते हैं favorites की. So since I have 12 polishes with me, let's talk about top 3 favorites. My first favorite is this one, this purple, cool toned purple shade, Orchid Bloom. It's like it's actually Orchid Bloom. It's such a beautiful purple shade, cool toned purple shade. It gets opaque in almost one coat and that's why this is my absolute favorite. मेरे जितने long nails पे भी ये one coat में opacity दे देता है. You can apply 2 coats if you want to level out some like brush strokes or anything like that to make it a little cleaner on the cuticles, but 1 coat is enough with this polish. And अभी यार spring का time चल रहा है, ऐसे colors ना बहुत trend में होते हैं, so yeah, this is my top favorite. Another shade that I absolutely love is Sage Green. Now this is a very grayish green sort of a color. ये like sort of winters में ज़्यादा चलता, but for some reason I just cannot stop looking at this color. जब इसको पहली बार मैंने nails पे लगाया था, I was a fan of this color. इसको आप spring में भी use कर सकते हो because it has those pastel green का hints. Or you can use this shade as a palette cleanser if you don't want to use like a stark white now. You can definitely go for this one. The third favorite of mine is this gold one. Oh my god, this is like molten gold in a bottle. This one is gold dust, but I would call it like molten gold in a bottle. It's such a beautiful color. Plus ये ना वैसा मिल्की सा शेयर सा जेली सा फॉर्मूला नहीं है. इट गेट्स ओपेक इन 2 कोट्स. हाँ, इसमें थोड़ा ब्रश स्ट्रोक्स का ध्यान रखना पड़ता है, बट आई absolutely love this gold. So yes guys, this was my overall review about this new launch from Just Herbs, the pricing, the quality and my favorites. Let me know in the comments down below if you have tried these polishes or which one was your favorite from my little collection of 12 polishes. I would love to hear from you. Plus yeah, if you like this video and you want me to continue making swatch and review of new brands and new launches, then don't forget to give this particular video a big fat thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, it's absolutely free, and don't forget to ring the bell icon beside it. Plus as I always say, stay safe, be kind to the animals around you, keep yourself hydrated, and yeah, I'll catch you on the next one. Bye bye.